Supreme Court of India issues notice to Reserve Bank seeking regulation of Bitcoin. The Supreme Court of India issued a notice on 13 November 2017 to the nation in number 8217, as central bank and related financial ministries to hasten their regulatory mechanisms with regard to Bitcoin. Concerns about cryptocurrency in number 8217. Lack of central control and potential use for money laundering have sounded alarms throughout the country in number 8217. Bureaucracies. India central banker doubles down on suppressing Bitcoin. Supreme Court of India orders agencies to regulate Bitcoin and number 8220. Lack of any concrete mechanism pending the regulatory framework. And number 8221. The petition asserts. And number 8220. Has left a lot of vacuum in which has resulted in total unaccountability and unregulated Bitcoin crypto money, trading and transactions. And number 8221. AdvocateDwaipayan Bhowmick urged. He in number 8217. Asking the country in number 8217. Financial regulatory bodies be compelled to in number 8220. Control the flow of Bitcoin by forming a committee to frame an appropriate mechanism to regulate the same. In number 8221. The petition was granted, and was issued by JusticesAM KhanwilkarandDY Chandrachud along with Chief Justice Dipak Misra. Government fear of is palpable, and the petition speaks to how in a number 8220. Emerging trend of crypto money if unchecked and unregulated is threat to Exchequers money and number 8221. Emphasis added. Exchequers are holdovers from British colonial rule, and essentially act as a sole spending authority, a kind of central government fund made from taxation. The 43-page petition carefully threads the argumentative needle of at once claiming Bitcoin to not be a currency while, since it is used in transactions, to still fall under financial regulation regimes. Fundamental misunderstanding. The petition comes at the end of a tough month for Bitcoiners in India. More official statements about cryptocurrencies continue to be spread by government officials at the highest levels, and its tabloid press is full of stories conflating Bitcoin with crime. According to the Supreme Court responded to the petition in the affirmative, and has in number 8220 issued notice to the Ministries of Finance, Law and Justice, Information Technology, Market Regulator SEBI and the RBI, on the plea which also sought setting up of a panel to frame a mechanism to regulate the flow of Bitcoin, and number 8221. That phrase, and number 8220. The flow of Bitcoin, and number 8221. Appears in several sources. Just how that is to be accomplished and what it means is something of a mystery, and perhaps reveals a fundamental problem. Regulators might not understand Bitcoin, after asserting falsely Bitcoin to be completely untraceable. The petition cites how in number 8220, certain countries have made Bitcoin, crypto money, subject to their respective tax regimes, while a few other countries have designated it as a commodity, thereby making Bitcoin subject to government regulation and accountable to the Exchequer. But no such mechanism exists in India. And number 8221.